Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find frame code on Frameo Digital Frame in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, on your Frameo Digital Frame screen, you just have to simply tap on it. Now, as soon as you tap on it, you are going to see this type of menu in front of you. Now over here among the given options, simply tap on the option of add friend. Now, when you tap on the option of add friend, you are going to see this type of code which will be generated automatically. So this is the code which you need to put in your Frameo application on your phone. So when you open the application, you are going to see the same add friend option on the top right hand corner of the screen inside the app. When you tap on it, it is going to basically ask you to enter the code. So you just have to enter this code which will be basically generated in your Frameo digital frame. Then once it is added, you can basically send the photos directly to your frame with the help of your phone. If the code expires, you can simply generate a new code from the same option, and there is no limit to how many times you can create a new code. You can also use this particular scanner in order to basically scan the code if you don't want to put the value manually. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.